Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have Close, which is the best and fastest CRM panel service. Now before we dive in, you can head over to the link in the description to get extended free trial as well free benefits and rewards which are going to be completely exclusive. So make sure to try that out. Super awesome and valuable, something that you should not be missing out. Alright, now talking about Close, we have amazing dashboard. As you can see, the inbox, I have currently added my email in here and you can see the inbox is simply showing up and all the details and mails that are synchronized successfully. You can also see the notes, emails, SMS and call logs as well. So all of the activity is monitored from this dashboard. On the left side we have our inbox opportunities, which is going to be providing you some rewards. If you want to add some leads, you can add that in here. Simply click on this plus icon on the top right side of your screen, enter the company name and contact name, and it will be added in here and populated in the list. You can add contacts as well, your workflows, so you can create your workflow. Click on new workflow and then simply name it. Once you do, click on done and you can see, like Zapier integration, it is creating workflows as well. You can add different steps. So super awesome for your CRM service. If you are used of any CRM service before, then you might be well aware that how these workflows work. So conversions, of course, from hot to cold, from cold to hot actually, and reports as well. So all of this is available on Close. Make sure to give it a try using the link in the description to get extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care and goodbye.